Abby, and this is Menlo Faces. Menlo was awarded the Outstanding Internship Program and Work Experience by the California Internship and Work Experience Association. Today, we are with Dylan Houle, Director of Internships, Career Services, and Study Abroad. Dylan, what does this award mean to you and to the college?
I think this award from the California Internship Work Experience Association means a lot. It's the first time our internship program has been recognized by an outside body for the impactful work that we do here. As you know, we've been doing a 4-credit internship program as a graduation requirement since the summer of 2014. We've had more than 700 students cycle through our internship program, and it's really exciting to see the California Internship and Work Experience Association recognize all of the hard work we've put in and the impact that it has on our students' lives.
What makes the internship program here at Menlo College so strong?
That's a great question, Abby. I'm glad you asked it. The reason the internship program is so effective, so strong, and was recognized by this professional association has a lot to do with the preparatory process that we put into the program. Starting the junior year, students come in for an individual appointment with a career advisor, typically me or my colleague Kelly, and we'll go over their resume, we'll clarify their career goals. We bring in a host of volunteer employers who do mock interviews with our students, many of which are recorded so that students can go home and do some self-critiquing. And we also have a very strong relationship with many employers throughout the Bay Area. Yesterday we just hosted our career fair and we had 52 employers come to recruit, mentor, train, engage with our students and hire them for internships along with full-time jobs. And so I think the dual aspect of the relationships we have with employers here in the Bay Area and the preparatory process that we put into it. Another reason that the program is very strong and I think a little unique from other college programs is that the students, while they're doing their internship, also participate in an internship seminar. There's a once-a-week evening class with their peers where they talk about the challenges, successes that they faced, and we also do some organizational theory so they're able to contextualize their internship in the broader workplace organizational norms and processes.
Amazing. Thank you so much and congratulations. We'll see you next time with Menlo Faces.